Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today's video I'm going to show you how to add music to your Facebook profile using laptop or PC. Then make sure to follow all steps to add any music or videos to your Facebook profile using just laptop or PC. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First guys, open your Facebook account, then on the top, then the right side, click on your account, then open your profile account. Then guys, then just click on the right side of the mouse, then the right side, then click on inspect at the bottom. As you see guys, it's very easy. Just on the right side, click on the right side, then click on inspect. Now guys, then automatically go and click on this icon, toggle devices toolbar, then toggle device toolbar, or Ctrl Shift and M, then click on this icon. Then as you see guys, it will appear the phone version. Then after the phone version will appear on your screen, just go and open your profile, then click on profile in the top, and again click on your profile account. Then your profile account will appear in the phone version. Then guys, go and in the middle and click on add the story on the left side, then click on add the story. Then guys, you can add any music on your laptop or PC. For example, I have already downloaded music, then click on this music, then click on open. As you see guys, to share your story will be visible on Facebook and the Messenger also. Then you can choose only friend or make it a private or a public. Then after adding the music, then scroll on the bottom and click on add to story, then click on add the story. Then guys, automatically the story it will add it on your profile picture, and it will add it to your profile on Facebook. As you see guys, it's very easy. Then after adding the profile, just make it again and laptop version. As you see guys, it's very easy. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.